Hi, and welcome to lesson number 4. In this lesson, you'll learn how to make your CoSchedule calendar work for your specific needs. By the end of this lesson, you should understand how to use and create custom saved views and how to save time rescheduling projects when deadlines change. Let's talk about what a saved view is. Saved views offer a way to filter your calendar based on specific projects so you can see things that you need to see. It clears out the clutter so you can get a focused view on your projects. Common views you might see are social messages, blog posts, individual departments, and newsletters, for example. Let's head over to the calendar now so I can show you a little bit about saved views and you can create your own custom saved view. Once you're in CoSchedule, you'll see the breadcrumb menu that runs along the top left-hand side of the calendar. Choose All and then toggle down. You can see that there already are some saved views here, such as blog posts and emails and social. If you click into one of these, you'll see exactly what it looks like. This is a blog post saved view, so you can see all the blog posts scheduled and when they will go out. The next thing I'm going to talk about is how to create your own saved view for your individual projects. It's nice to do when you want to focus on your own priorities so you don't miss any tasks, for example. So first, we're going to go to the breadcrumb menu. We're going to choose the blog post that was our all, and then create a new view at the bottom. Here, you can rename your saved view. Add filters to the right, and we're going to choose team member, and then you can add yourself as a team member. This means that any project that has your name on it will be filtered out and then be added to your calendar saved view. If you want to fine-tune your saved view even more, choose display settings to the right, and then you can hide any additional information that you do not want to see, such as social messages, weekends, or team tasks. The next thing I'll talk about is how to save time rescheduling projects with CoSchedule's easy drag and drop functionality. If you hover over a project in CoSchedule, you'll see associated tasks that are connected with that project. One amazing feature in CoSchedule is the ability to drag and drop the project. This then reschedules the project, social media messages, and any other things attached to this project automatically. So if your project was scheduled for a different due date, you'll automatically see all these messages and tasks move along with it. This saves a lot of time so you don't have to manually click into anything that needs to be updated. And that's the end of the team member onboarding lessons. Thank you so much for watching.